talked to Kenyans and we categorized Kenyans into whether they are pro-government or pro-opposition. So for you to be pro-government, you're a supporter of Kenya Kwanza. That's a Jubilee. Remember Jubilee, there's some fight at the top level. So we ask Kenyans, if you support Jubilee, which faction do you support? Do you support the Kanini Kega one or he's called Kioni, Jeremiah Kioni. So we then say the ones who support Jeremiah Kioni are opposition and Kanini Kega are pro-government. So that's how we ended up with the two categories. So you'll be seeing our findings talking about those two categories of our respondents. So let me go straight to the presentation. And we're talking about the direction that Kenya is heading. This is a question that is asked standard across Kenya, even in other countries like South Africa, Uganda. This is a question that is used to assess whether Kenyans think that the country is heading in the right direction. And if it is or it's not, what are the reasons for these sentiments? So what are we finding in this study? We're finding that 56% of Kenyans feel that the country is heading in the wrong direction. 56% of Kenyans. 25% say it's heading in the right direction, and then you have about 19% who've got no opinion or who say it's neither heading in the wrong direction or the right direction. So what we did is that we split this analysis into whether people were pro-government or pro-opposition, or those who say they did not belong to any of the two sides. So if you look at the pro-opposition, and if you look at the red bar, you find that 78% of the pro-opposition feel that the country is heading in the wrong direction. And if you look at the pro-government respondents, 43% say the right direction, whereas 38% say the wrong direction. Now, the ones who do not affiliate themselves with either Azimio or Kenya Kwanza, we also see that 56% of them are saying that the country is heading in the wrong direction. So what you're seeing is that a substantial number of Kenyans feel that the country is heading in the wrong direction. We've done a comparison of the results in March and the results in June 2023, because when you trend data, that's when you begin to say, is the sentiment changing or not changing? And what you're seeing between March 2023 and June 2023, the sentiments have definitely changed. So the percentage of Kenyans who feel that the country is going in the right direction has declined from 37% to 25%. Those who feel that the country is heading in the wrong direction, March 2023 was 48%, and currently it's 56%. So the Kenyans who feel that the country is going in the wrong direction has gone up. Now let's analyze what are the reasons for these sentiments. Why are Kenyans saying that the country is heading the wrong direction or the right direction? So let's go to the right direction. And remember, those who are saying the country is going in the right direction now are only 25% of Kenyans. So they appreciate the leadership of Kenya Kwanza and President Ruto, that's 24% mentioned. And they also say that the economy is improving and the cost of living is not so bad, only 12%. So those are the 25% who feel that the country is heading the right direction, and remember, they are a minority. Those who say that the country is heading the wrong direction, if you remember, they are 56% in total. What is their main reason why they think the country is heading in the wrong direction? So a large majority, 79%, say that the country is heading the wrong direction because of the high cost of living. And this is basically talking about the economy. We then decided to say, can we check whether those who feel that the country is heading in the wrong direction, and when they give a reason, is there a difference between those who are pro-government and those who are pro-opposition? And if you look at the chart here, the top text is the economy, cost of living, meaning all the people who say that's the reason why they're rating or having sentiments that the government is heading the wrong direction. But when you look at the percentages, total is 79%. Those who are pro-government, 86% say the cost of living is a problem. Those who are pro-opposition, 74%, and those who don't have any political affiliation, 81%. So what can we say? The issue about the cost of living does not affect one political divide in terms of the supporters. It's affecting both. and Kenyans are unanimous, regardless of their political affiliation, that the reason why the country is going in the wrong direction is because of the high cost of living. Now, for those who say that the country is heading in the right direction, and remember they're only 25%, we then analyze them by either pro-government, pro-opposition, or no political affiliation. And you can see that the pro-government respondents feel that the leadership of course, by President Ruto and Kenya Kwanza is good. But interestingly, if you look at the bottom bar, where they don't give a specific reason, 19% of that don't give a specific reason, which is quite big, which is almost equal to the first one. So even though they're saying that the country is heading in the right direction, 19% do not give a reason. So the question, were they wondering whether it's unpolitical to say a bad thing about a particular government or not? We don't know.